All right, here we go. So you can see today, that's my profit. Now, over here on the right, you can see unusual whales. So I highly recommend you sign up for this. Otherwise, you're going to get 2 days delayed data. So you want live data. It's still 10 minutes delayed because if we had live data, it'd be cheating, right? So what you're looking at here is the market makers gamma. You can also see their positions. You can look at their Vanna, also their charm. We'll get into that later on another video. Just to make it simple here, we're going to look at gamma today, okay? So you can see here the price is at 68.27. Now, why do you think it didn't break this level here at 68.30, where the market makers held about 3,500 puts at that level? So, like you, if you hold a put, you don't want the price above that, right? So, long puts, long calls are going to create what are called green gamma walls, okay? Now, whenever the market makers are short a position, they're going to have negative gamma walls, okay? So, now, the negative gamma is what you want to look for because it amplifies moves. So, let's say, after a while, which it did earlier, about around 3:30, I think it was, break above this 68.30 level, okay? So when that happens, the market makers, they have a lot of negative gamma up here. And if the institutions are buying, a bunch of people are buying, it's going to shoot through these levels real fast because the negative gamma amplifies moves. Okay, that's all you need to know. Positive gamma, which is green, stabilizes moves. Okay, so that's all you got to really know. Just look at that, and from 9:30 is when these are going to be, the most active, and when they're going to follow these. So, for example, let's say price is right here at 6,800, right? Okay, 6,800, that's a great level to buy in. Now, let's say that this went down 27 points. What do you want to do here? Look, there's a little bit of green. It might not stop it. It might not act as support, but 6,800 is a psychological level. So let's say you buy in here, right? Then you could ride this all the way up 27, 30 points, right? Now, once it gets to here, what do you think you should do? Because what are the market makers going to do once it hits those puts? They're going to short, okay? So if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching.